Good morning. This is Team Blueprint, and we are going to introduce the redesigned service design experience of an existing Kirana store. Currently, there are over 6.65 million Kirana stores in India, and they contribute almost 90% to the country's total trade. We have tried to redesign the experience so that this one-man management can manage their customers, sales, and delivery people more efficiently, and also at the same time manage our sub goals by trying to move it from a product-focused base to a product and service base. For this, we conducted both qualitative and quantitative research on 2 shopkeepers and a total of 26 customers. Based on the survey, we found several insights and we corroborated them later on with the other findings from our blueprints.
So our persona is Sunil, who is a shopkeeper, and he is very social but not very tech savvy. Like he uses WhatsApp and Facebook to connect with his friends, but not for his business activities. Another persona we considered is a software developer, Chintan. He basically values his time a lot, and what really frustrates him is like standing in queues at Kirana or visiting multiple Kiranas to collect the desirable products. Now we created a customer journey map. So this journey map includes both the physical presence in the shop and the call service as well, which it marks the waiting period also. So as per the legend, we have marked here the strengths and pain points in the entire process. So we basically, in the next step, we map the thinking, feeling, doing, and resources of the persona in the 3 major steps of the customer. So what we analyzed through this is the main pain points were that not all items were available at a single Kirana store. Billing was taking a lot of time, and questions of whether Kirana store has the items we need was creating issues. There were some quick fixes for some of the pain points, and for the there were also some strengths in the current scenario, which we tried to inculcate in our file and design.
Next, we studied the shop owner's journey when he's trying to provide an order to the client. Here also, we tried to identify the strengths, the pain points, and the easy fixes. The main pain points that we identified was that no shop owner had contact with a large number of wholesale dealers or distributors, so they could not stock up all types of items. Secondly, it took a lot of time to check for items and reiterate all the deals to the customers and also hand bill them. Thirdly, there was no strong network either among the Kirana owners or among the Kirana owners and the delivery boys. There were some other things, for example, the quick fixes of how to include sanitation tags. And we also looked at the strengths of this service and some of the strengths of online service that we could include in the offline experience, like privacy of orders. Next, we looked at the ecosystem map, and from here on also we found 2 similar things. That is, there was a very weak link between the local Kirana stores and other local Kirana stores, as well as between the Kirana stores and the delivery boys. So finally, based on the existing service design blueprints, we created a completely new proposed service design blueprint. So herein we have introduced 4 basic alterations. The first is we have tried to reduce the time at which a customer can terminate their journey by knowing that a Kirana store does not have all the items that they need. For all the FMCG products which are renewed every day, like milk and baked goods, bread, we have included signages in front of the shop in which the shopkeeper will strike out if the day's supply of milk is over. So for these, the customer can terminate their journey at the first orange note. Secondly, to decrease the amount of time that the shopkeeper gives each customer, we have introduced a self-billing counter. To decrease the amount of time that the delivery person spends traveling to the shop to get the order, we have used WhatsApp as an intermediate system to connect them wherever they are. And finally, to assure the customer of a proper sanitized bag, we have introduced sanitization tags. So from here on, in the next slide, we can see that the customer journey is terminated 2 stages early. The time spent per customer is terminated 1 stage early, and the delivery boys can begin their journey 1 stage early.
So in order to prototype our concept, we went ahead and created a storyboard. So here we have Chintan, who is coming back from work and wants to buy certain items from his local Kirana. He sees that there is no milk or eggs, but he still goes ahead and wants to buy bread. which is given through a signage within the store. Since this is post office hours, it's really crowded. So he goes to the self-scanning counter where he scans the products that he wants and he pays via Paytm. Once he goes back home, he sends his shopping list of additional items to his Kirana store's business account on WhatsApp, and then he receives the delivery in a sanitized bag, and he pays the remaining amount through WhatsApp Pay. And to see how Sunil perceives this entire service is that he is interested in managing his deliveries. So he meets up with a friend who suggests WhatsApp business to him. Once he's on the platform, he has the opportunity to add location and label his business. So similar businesses with the label within his location have created groups, and he has the option to add himself into those groups. Once he's on the platform, he can also add the kind of products that his Kirana provides. Now, once he's on the platform, customers can send requests to the business account, and he has the option to accept or decline the request. Once he accepts the request, he forwards this to the delivery group, which has a number of floating delivery boys who, who can take on the job. And once the job is taken, the delivery boys coordinate the sourcing of the different products and they coordinate with the customer themselves. Um, they send their location and they also send images of the products to assure quality. Once this is done, the delivery boys reach the customer. They take the desired payment method and also they give them the products in sanitized bag. Thank you.